Hello everyone, my name is Charity and today I will be teaching you some basic Cebuano words. The first word that I'm going to teach you is the word hello, which is a general greeting. But do not worry because when you go to Cebu or any of the provinces of Cebu, you can just use the word hello if you want to greet someone. Next, we have the word good day. Good day in Cebuano is maayong adlaw. Now, I want you to repeat after me. Ma-a-yung adlaw. One more time. Ma-a-yung adlaw. Maayong adlaw. Good. Now, the next is good morning. The Cebuano word for good morning is maayong buntag. You already know what's maayo, right? Maayo stands for good. Now, the word buntag stands for morning. So, the Cebuano word for good morning is maayong buntag. Repeat after me. Ma-a-yung buntag. Ma-a-yung buntag. Maayong buntag. Excellent. Next, we have good noon. The Cebuano word for good noon is maayong udto. Udto means noon. So once again, the Cebuano word for good noon is maayong udto. Ma-a-yung udto. Ma-a-yung udto. Maayong udto. Good. Another. We have the word good afternoon. The Visaya word or the Cebuano word for afternoon is hapon. Therefore, the Cebuano word for good afternoon is maayong hapon. Ma-a-yung hapon. Ma-a-yung hapon. Maayong hapon. Next that I'm going to teach you is the Cebuano word for good evening. Evening in Cebuano is gabi. Therefore, the Cebuano word for good evening is maayong gabi. Ma-a-yung gabi. Ma-a-yung gabi. Maayong gabi. Now, let's repeat everything once more. First, we have maayong adlaw. Ma-a-yung adlaw. Maayong adlaw. Next, maayong buntag. Ma-a-yung buntag. Maayong buntag. Maayong udto. Ma-ayong udto. Maayong udto. Maayong gabi. Ma-ayong gabi. Maayong gabi. That was great. But before we proceed to the next set of words, let's have a short quiz, shall we? Number 1. What is the Cebuano word for good evening? Correct. The Cebuano word for good evening is maayong gabi. Number 2. What is the Cebuano word for good day? That's right. The Cebuano word for good day is maayong adlaw. Number 3. What is the Cebuano word for good afternoon? You're right again. The Cebuano word for good afternoon is maayong hapon. Number 4. What is the Cebuano word for good noon? You got it. The Cebuano word for good noon is maayong udto. And number 5. What is the Cebuano word for good morning? Excellent! The Cebuano word for good morning is maayong buntag. Let's proceed. If you want to ask somebody, how are you in Cebuano, all you have to say is, kumusta ka? The word kumusta ka is just the same in Tagalog. If you want to ask somebody, if you go to Manila and you want to ask somebody, how are you? You just use the same word, kumusta ka. Now, I want you to repeat after me. Ku-mus-ta ka. Once again, ku-mus-ta ka. Kumusta ka? Next, I will teach you the answer for the question, kumusta ka? Okay. In English, when you ask, how are you? The reply is, I'm fine, right? So, in Cebuano, the Visaya word for I'm fine is very simple and very easy. It's, ta-da! Okay ra. Okay ra. Okay ra. Okay ra. That was easy, right? Next, the Cebuano word for I'm fine. And you? The Cebuano word is okay ra. Ikaw? Once again, I want you to repeat after me. Okay ra. Ikaw? You have to make a pause between okay ra and ikaw, because there's a comma. If you can see here, there's a comma. So once again, repeat after me. Okay ra. Ikaw. Okay ra. Ikaw. So now, I will teach you the Cebuano word for goodbye. There are two ways in saying goodbye. Letter A, if you are the person leaving, you will say, adto nako. Repeat after me. Adto nako. Adto nako. Adto nako. Next, letter B. If you want to say goodbye to someone who is about to leave, you will say, Amping, ayo ayo. Repeat after me. Amping. Or, ayo ayo. So it goes like this. Amping. Or, ayo ayo. But once again, if you are the one leaving, you will say, adto nako. In English, that is, bye, I'll be going. Now, let's repeat the new words we just added. First, we have, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Next, okay ra. Okay ra. Okay ra. Another, okay ra, ikaw. Okay ra, ikaw. Okay ra, ikaw. And we have goodbye, right? So there's two. If you are the person leaving, you will say, adto nako. Bye-bye, adto nako. Adto nako. Adto nako. But if you are the person who wants to say goodbye to someone who is about to leave, or if you are the person staying, then your friend is leaving, you just have to say, amping. Amping means take care, okay? Or be careful. So once again, amping. Amping. Or ayo ayo. Ayo ayo. So now, let's make another quiz for this new batch of words we just learned, okay? So what is the Bisaya word for how are you? That's right. The Bisaya word for how are you is kumusta ka? Next question. How will you say this in Cebuano? I'm fine. And you? Okay, great. If you want to say it in Cebuano, it's okay ra, ikaw. Number 3 question. If you want to leave or if you are the person leaving, what will you say? Okay, if you are the person leaving, you will say, adto nako. Last question. If you want to say goodbye to someone who is leaving, what will you say? Okay, very good. It's amping, ayu ayu. Before we end today's video, let us recall the words you have learned today, starting with maayong adlaw. Maayong buntag. Maayong udto. Maayong hapon. And maayong gabi. Next. Kumusta ka? Okay ra. Okay ra. Ikaw? Adto na ko. Amping, ayu-ayu. Okay, so how was it? I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and click that bell button beside the word subscribe so that you'll be notified on our next video about basic Cebuano words. And please don't forget to share, and you can even put your comments there on what else you want to learn. So that would be all, I guess. Adto na ko! See you next video!